Hi guys, it's Lita. So I have a spooky box unboxing for you guys. This is the Children of the Night box, and I'm really glad that I got these two boxes. They came super quick. I had an issue with PayPal. Again, this is the second time that it's happened to me, and Spooky Box has been super great and hooked me up, fixed the problems, and got me these boxes super quick. Like, I found out that people were uploading in Britain unboxing these, and that's usually how I know when my box is about to be here. And that made me check, and then I figured out that PayPal had discontinued automatic payments, and it was a whole big mess. So the people at Spooky Box were super great in helping me get my subscription back and sending me the boxes that I missed payments for because PayPal decided to just cancel it for like no reason at all. Anyways, this is the Creature of the Night box, so let's go ahead and get into this box. I haven't seen any spoilers, surprisingly. I really heard these are good boxes, so I didn't really want to be spoiled. But yeah, let's see what's in this box. The box is open. That is the card. Oh, this feels like a plushie, and I'm okay with that because we have a ghost plushie and I love it. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Oh, and they're so squishy and soft. I love it. That is so cute. That's gonna look so good next to the ghost because it's the same theme. I don't know. Like, the face is the same. It's the same. It's happening together. Let's see. This is the next item. Oh, this is cute. Sweet, I need one of these. They sent us one that's like kind of similar, but it was just like a stick. And this is a stick and like a barrette. Like a, I don't know what these things are actually called. So this is the, like, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what this is called. Feels like plastic, but I think that's okay. But this is super cute. See what else we got in this box. Whistle candy. I don't know what flavor this is. It doesn't say. Oh, it's like a big Smartie. Okay. Then let's see what else we got. Oh, this is cute. It says Spooky Box Club on it. They're doing super good with their collars now. Like how they have this finished now. That's really cute. This looks really similar to one that Killstar did. This looks like a pin. I can't read it in the plastic, so I'll take it out for you guys. I can't read it. Oh, cute. I like that. It says Nocturnal Society, and it's got a bat and an owl and a moon and stars on it. That's really cute. Then we have this. What? Oh my god. Stainless steel coffin shaped pet name tag. That's cool. So yeah, it's just like a name, like a pet tag that you can get engraved. And this is stainless steel. That's really cool. That's such a cool idea. That's something we've never gotten before. So we got some cat ears. supposed to be cat ears. Got a print. Says, listen to the children of the night, what sweet music they make. That's a pretty cool print. I like that. And that is it for the box. Alright, let's see what we got in this spooky box. So this is the Children of the Night box. First thing on the list is the super cute bat plushie. Next is the Bat Barrette hair slide and pin. I didn't know what these were called. It's just like a hair thing. Next is the Black Magic Kitty bow choker, which is very cute. Then we have the Pet Coffin name tag. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. Next we have the Nocturnal Society pin, which is very cute. That's such a good pin. I like their black and white pins, or black and silver pins. Then we have the cat ear band, which, like, I would never buy this for myself, but I can wear it now that they sent it to me. But I was seeing that one more and I'm like, eh. And then the last thing is the Children of the Night print, which is a good print. I do like this print a lot, so. Oh. And the candy, which is a whistle, so yeah, that is the Children of the Night Spooky Box Club. Comment down below your favorite item that I got in this box. My favorite item is gonna be the bat plushie. This is super, super cute. I really like it, and it's gonna go with the ghost. Super cute. So, yeah. If you want a spooky box, treat yourself. The list will be posted in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on other social media. My links will be posted in the description box down below. Hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. It's gonna be the bat plushie. This is super, super cute. I really like it, and it's gonna go with the ghost. Super cute. So, yeah.